What's on screen right now is the Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro, a wet and dry vacuum that appears designed to handle everyday dust and liquid spills without switching between separate tools. At first glance, the build looks slim, polished, and noticeably refined for something sitting in this category. One thing that stands out immediately is the 180-degree lie-flat design. As the handle tilts nearly level with the floor, the machine slides cleanly under sofas, beds, and low furniture, exactly the kind of spaces that most upright vacuums simply cannot reach. The suction reaches 18,000 pascals, a 20% step up from the previous Truclean model. The roller brush spins at 450 revolutions per minute with up to 20 newtons of downward pressure, maintaining consistent contact across both dry and wet surfaces. A shark teeth scraper and straight metal blade also work together to reduce hair and fiber tangling in the brush roll over time. Water management includes a 1-liter clean tank alongside a 700-milliliter dirty water container. After testing on standard glazed tiles, results suggest around 62% fewer water streaks compared to the predecessor, a visible difference that becomes apparent in the footage. At the base station, the unit docks, self-cleans, charges, and dries the roller brush automatically, all with minimal user involvement. Battery life sits at roughly 40 minutes per charge. Overall, the W30 Pro feels like a practical and well-rounded option for households managing both dry debris and wet spills on a regular basis. Depending on the size of the space, it appears to offer a capable and efficient everyday cleaning experience.